Want to know how to turn your creativity into cash? In 2024, making money online as a graphic designer has never been easier. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the opportunities are endless, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started today. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how anyone, regardless of experience, can make money online as a graphic designer. No need for fancy degrees or expensive software, just your creativity, a laptop, and a bit of guidance. Many people think you need to be a professional or have years of experience to make a living as a graphic designer. Maybe you've always wanted to try it, but felt overwhelmed by the competition or confused about where to start. The truth is, a lot of beginners get stuck in this mindset. They feel they can't compete with the pros, or they don't know which platforms to use to showcase their skills, or maybe they're worried about spending too much time on design without seeing any real earnings. This video will clear those doubts, step by step, showing you how to get your foot in the door and start earning money, even if you're a complete newbie. First things first, you don't need to be a design expert. What matters is finding the right platform for you. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs offer a great start for beginners. Plus, there are opportunities to create and sell your own designs on sites like Redbubble or Etsy. If you've got basic design skills, Canva is an easy tool to use and can be a goldmine if you know how to use it right. I'll also walk you through how to make use of free resources like YouTube tutorials and online courses to sharpen your skills while you earn. The best part? You don't need a fancy portfolio. I'll show you how to create simple samples that catch a client's eye, fast. Here's the game changer. Focus on a niche. Don't try to be everything for everyone. If you specialize in logo design, social media graphics, or printables, you'll not only build your skills faster, but also stand out from the crowd. This will increase your chances of getting consistent clients who are willing to pay more for your expertise. It's all about showcasing your strengths and leveraging them to create a standout profile. I'll reveal the secret formula to setting the right prices that will attract clients without underselling your work. There you have it. How anyone can make money online as a graphic designer in 2024. With the right approach and tools, you can build a successful online income, no matter where you are on your graphic design journey. It's all about starting smart, learning along the way, and finding what works for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.